Our teleserye entitled When Flowers Bloom revolves around two lovers that are requited with each other. These two were born into different worlds with different lives. One have status and power, while the other one is living under a ruler who deprived them from complete freedom and justice. But not all love tend to last. Even the blooming flower has to wither. But this serves as a powerful reminder that there is love amidst the chaos.
Since our teleserye highlights the hardships in the lives of farmers and how corruption takes away their normal way of living, it is connected to the literary text entitled Third World Geography, which also discusses the poverty in a place and poor governance in the government. They experience harsh realities and the injustice system in the country.
The 21st century social issue reflected in the teleserye is the close connection between corruption and poverty. Corruption makes it hard for resources to reach those in need, worsening poverty and making life difficult for many people. This cycle keeps communities trapped in poverty because dishonest leaders take money meant for public services and development.
As Raphael in the film, I think for Raphael, doing the right thing matters most, even if it means standing up to his own mother. He realized that staying quiet while others suffer is just bad as causing the pain. In the end, Raphael chooses to fight for the people.
Veronica values fairness and justice above all else. She cannot bear to see her father and other farmers suffer under the unfair treatment of their labor. So she decided to stand up for what is right. Her courage and compassion showed her determination to fight for the dignity and rights of people.
My character showcases the power of a politician and its impact on our society. She symbolized how greed, cruelty, and selfishness can affect the lives of others. But on the other hand, she reflects as a loving mother that showcases that even the baddest person has still a good side.
Tara!
Matagal ko na itong pinapangarap.
Ha? Alin?
Yung makitang maginhawa ang bukid. Puno-puno na namumukad kay mula. Sa tingin mo, matutupad kaya yun?
Matutupad yun. Balang araw. Ma, I have something to talk to you about.
Is it that urgent that you have to barge in my office?
About that, I met this girl.
Is that so?
No, ma, hear me out. This girl is very special. Siya'y mabait, siya'y maganda, siya'y marahan. Iba siya sa mga babaeng tipikal na nakilala mo.
Oh, really? What family did she came from? Castillo, Alcantara, Salazar, Aquino, or maybe one of our business partners?
No, ma. But I assure you, you will definitely like this girl.
Then where did she came from?
A farm. A family of farmers.
A farm?
Yes, ma. And if you have time, we can go there.
Forget about it!
I assure you, ma. Payapa ron. Kung nasistress ka sa trabaho, we can go there. And with that,
Donato Rafael Villar, tumigil ka!
ma.
You know I'm a busy woman. If you don't have anything to say, you can leave now!
Ma.
From now on, you are bound not to speak anything about this, Rafael.
I didn't ask you how long it would take. Must I remind you? You are talking to the mayor. Just do what I want you to do. Julieta, I'm only repeating this once. Taasan mo ang mga tax ng mga hampas lupang mga magsasaka.
Wala to. Karding! Yung utang mo pala, pinapalala ko lang.
Naku, Jikoy. Pasensya ka na. Pwede bang sa susunod na lang?
Pasensya. Inuulang na din ako ngayon eh. Yun na lang. Pag di ka magbabayad niyong buwan, yung utang mong 2,000, tataas yan. Tataas yan ng 200. Ay.
Veronica!
Ihan! Diyan ang kakapyo mo!
Magandang hapon po, Tito. Rafael, napanood ka pala. Pwede ko po bang makausap si Veronica?
Anong ginagawa mo rito?
Veronica, karapatan ka magalit sa sasabihin ko. Veronica, yung nanay ko. Inaasan niya ang buong sa bukid.
Ano? At wala ka man lang ginawa para pigilan yung nanay mo?
Veronica, patawarin mo kung wala akong magagawa.
Hindi. May magagawa ka, pero pinili mo lumayo.
Veronica, hindi sa ganun yun.
Ilang buwan na kami nagtitiis, Rafael! Hindi sapat ang 3 takal ng bigas para pakainin kami. Gutom, init at pagod at tinitiis ng tatay ko. Pero kayo, ano? Nagpapakasasa kayo sa perang hindi ninyo ginawa.
Veronica, patawarin mo kung hayaan mo ako magpaliwanag.
Hindi ko kailangan ng paliwanag mo.
Veronica!
Karding! Karding! Di mo ba nababalitaan? Tinaas na ni Mayora ang ating interes ng buwis. Sinisingil na nila tayo!
Bakit naaaway sa akin? Bakit ng buwaya?
May kinalaman ba kayo dito?
Nagkakagulo na po sa EDSA. Sinusagod na po ng mga pulis na nagpo-protekta at saka marami na rin pong infrastrukturang apektado.
Patayin ang mga lumalapastangan!
Ma, anong ginagawa mo?
Hanga naman na pala.
Hindi mo ba alam kung ilang buhay ang nasisira mo?
Huwag mong sisirain ang pinaplano ko. Alam ko ang ginagawa ko.
Kung alam mo, hindi mo hahayaang mangyari tong putang inang patayan na to.
Para sa iyo ang ginagawa ko, Rafael.
Para sa akin o para sa sarili mo?
Wala kang karapatan na diktahan ako. Dahil ako ang bumubuhay sa iyo.
Hindi gaano pang katagal noong nangyari yun. Ngunit nakatanim pa rin sa akin yung pangarap mo. Pangarap mong natupad, ngunit sa iyong paglisan.
I think of you all the time. Now that you're gone, I've been doing all kinds of drugs to get you out of my mind.